be a good game. It's going to be a challenging game. It's going to be awesome. I think in the field now it's already electrifying. The legends of Kaizer Chiefs, they're already there. They're going to participate with the Zulu Kingdom. So what is going to happen now, by 15 hours, we'll have the giants of Africa from Ghana. Yes, we're looking forward for a good game. Then we have to celebrate. They know us. They've been before here in South Africa, and then we play with them. Then we knock them out. So now I think it's going to be a challenging game. It's going to be a big clash. So we're waiting for anything. And then Kaizer Chiefs is going to be introducing the new players. It's going to be awesome.
So how do you predict the game? The prediction for the game today?
No, 2-1. Kaizer Chiefs is winning again.
When we say Kaizer Chiefs,
yes.
If we say Kumase Asante Kotoko, their nickname is Ukum Apema Apembeba. When you say Kaizer Chiefs, what is your name?
Yes, it's Kaizer Chiefs, friend. That's the team that's gonna win. Love and peace, yes. Love and peace is gonna win.
Kaizer Chiefs means
love and peace, yes. Yes.
So
peace everywhere. Peace on the wind, peace everywhere.
Okay. The Kotoko name.
Yes.
How do you see the Kotoko name in Africa? How do you see it?
Yeah, we rate Asante Kotoko as a big team. We know them. They are good. They've got quality squad. They've got quality team. They've been here before. They're introducing a lot of players. We know now they are the big teams. Then they are the teams like they receive the trophies like we normally did before, like our team when everything goes well. Since now it's back to square one, those are the champions which are playing today. Because Asante Kotoko, they are the champs. Everybody knows about them.
Someone will say that Kotoko and the Kaizer Chiefs are the sleeping giants of African football. Do you agree that if somebody said that Asante Kotoko from Ghana and Kaizer Chiefs from South Africa are the sleeping giants of African football?
Yeah. You can't lie. You can't deny on that. That is a straightforward thing. Everything is there. You know, when you talk about Asante Kotoko, you're making history. History written itself. As we speak, as we're saying, those are the giants of the trophies. It's what that's what I can say.
But now they are sleeping giants.
Yes, exactly.
What is the problem here that is making Orlando Pirates, Sundowns, doing better than Kaizer Chiefs?
I know they won't maintain their standards of the Kaizer Chiefs. In fact, the Kaizer Chiefs is a big brand. It's something which is big. It's a big empire.
For now, we know what Orlando Pirates are doing.
Yes.
Recently at the FIFA Club World Cup, we know what Sundowns and Orlando Pirates they are doing.
Yes, they
are doing well than Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, everything will be back to square one. I can't deny that. As we're saying, they did well. Yes, indeed, we have to accept and appreciate them. But they know us. They know who was the champ. And then when we talk about Kaizer Chiefs, we talk about Chiefs abroad. I think we are number 2 from when we count
you said that
yes.
Sundowns is home champions.
Yes.
Like Kaizer Chiefs, you talk about them abroad.
Yes.
Everywhere.
As I'm talking to you.
The champion of South Africa, not Africa.
Okay. Yes.
They can conquer South Africa, not Africa.
Orlando Pirates and Sundowns can conquer South Africa, but they can't conquer Africa.
Exactly.
This season, we are going to conquer
Africa
and
South Africa.
Give it to your brother for me. I like his confidence. Okay, so let's speak. Your name?
My name is Love and Peace Dlama Boys Mikenso from Limpopo.
So you are telling me that Kaizer Chiefs, you are coming back to Africa and conquer Africa?
Yes. We are here. We are here to conquer Africa and South Africa too.
Oh, okay.
As a Kaizer Chiefs.
What do you love about your club, Kaizer Chiefs?
No,
please come.
First of all, I would like to thank my coach Nabi. I like his philosophy, the way they are playing, their style. I like it, and also the management. I like it the way they are doing things.
Okay. So today
we are going to win 2-1.
2-1.
Yes, 2-1.
Okay. Do you love Ghana?
Yes, I also love Ghana.
Have you been to Ghana before?
No, I've never been there, but I look like them.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm
You look like a
African.
Ghanaian.
Yes, I look like them.
Yeah. You're my brother. So are you looking forward to?
We are Africans.
Yeah.
That's why.
We are one.
Yes, we are one.
Are you looking forward to come to Ghana?
Yes, yes. If one day Kaizer Chiefs will have time to go to Ghana,
Okay.
I'll go with them.
Okay.
Yes, I'll meet you guys.
Which town in Ghana do you want to come?
Townie.
Town.
Which
yeah.
town?
Town. Which town? Which city?
Which city you
Which
want?
city do you want to come?
If you visit,
If you have the
there in
opportunity,
Ghana,
you have Kumasi, you have Accra, you have
Yeah, actually, the town that I know, it's Accra.
the city. That is
Yes,
Accra, capital town.
Yes.
Okay. Have you heard of Accra as a folk before?
Yes, I heard it.
Okay, so comparing House of Folk in Asante Kotoko,
Yes.
which one do you think is the biggest?
In Accra.
You know, comparing House of Folk and then Kumasi Asante Kotoko, which one do you think is the biggest in Ghana?
No, it's like I want to see whatever. I like to see their stuff.